Okay. This is so much heavier than my last suitcase, I feel like. I mean, it's in a box right now, but I don't know. This is a little bit different of a video than normal. I'm going to be unboxing my new suitcase, which is Away. Now, I've always used the Osprey Meridian, I think 22, but it just hasn't been working for me anymore, so I thought I'd get a new suitcase, and this one is pretty promoted, so I thought I'd try it out. Okay, so it has some words in it, and the back. I just got the carry-on, not the bigger carry-on, because the bigger carry-on it won't always work in international smaller flights, which we take a lot. The European budget airlines, they don't always accept that size, so I wanted to make sure that I was always able to carry my bag on. Okay, so I just got the gray one, just plain. These bags have the lock on top, and they're all Tsa approved. You set your own lock, and it's just like a luggage lock, but you don't have to clip it on or lose it like I always do, or anything like that. So the little lock mechanism, it just like pops open. So that's kind of interesting. Have your little tie down buckle. And inside, oh my gosh. So I got the bag with the battery, which is right here underneath the little roller thing. So it just comes in and it pops right out. And it's a pretty big battery. I mean, it's 10,000 mAh. So we have these anchors that we always travel with that are also 10,000, and they hold about 4-ish phone charges or battery charges. So this is just another 4 charges, which is nice. And it's connected to your bag, so when you're in the airport, you can just plug your phone in or camera or whatever pretty easily. Another reason I'm going to be using this primarily as a carry-on is because of the battery. And I mean, you can check the bag if you take the battery out, but I'd prefer to just have it in the bag at all times. You can't check these lithium batteries. Okay. This is the inside of the bag, and it came with the little accessory kit for the battery. Opening that up. Oh, that's cool. Which includes the wall charger for it, which is nice because it's just also, it could just be another wall charger. And then the cord for it. And it has like the standard micro USB input, so that'll work on our camera. And it also comes with adapters for different countries. And then a little passport type, like little guide for the bag. So it just says you are here, which is really cute. Then you have this mesh holder for all of it that you could store all your extra batteries as well and stuff like that in there, so that's nice. Okay, so on the top part of it, you have just an unzippable mesh cover so that when you shut the bag, all your stuff doesn't go everywhere. And then on the other side, you have your little clips that tie everything down. And I don't know, this is like a little divider. You can put stuff in the front of it. It also comes with luggage tags. It has the same meshy material, which is really high quality. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna rip through it with putting stress on the bag or anything like that. And then you have your normal, like, inside of a suitcase. And it has the branding everywhere. It says Away, Away, Away. And coloring wise, like, I'm glad it's not black, but I feel like if it was a little bit lighter, you could see things better. But I'm really glad it's not black because you lose stuff so easily in black lined bags. You can feel the battery and the, like the handles back here. It takes up a lot of room, I can definitely tell. But definitely not as much as the Osprey bag I had. And then up here, you have another little compartment. Oh, like a laundry bag. That's nice. Just to have another little laundry bag. Nothing crazy there, but it's in that little pocket. So I feel like I can fit a good amount of stuff in this bag compared to the bag that I've been using. And I'm actually gonna do a pack with me video when I go to Patagonia next week. So we'll see really how much this can hold, especially with more winter gear. Outside wise, you have obviously your roller handle, and it's got the 4-wheeled roller, so you can kind of just scoot it along. It feels really sturdy. Like, I feel like I can put my camera backpack on it and it'll be okay. It also has this carrying handle and this carrying handle. I feel like they're tightish. I don't know. You have to be really strong to carry it like that, and that is not me. The shell part, you can definitely tell it's durable, and it has some give to it, so it's not like some of the hard shell cases that just are super rigid. Like even this, I feel like can stretch pretty well. I don't think it has an expander. I don't see one. What's nice about this bag as well is that basically once you shut this bag and lock it, you can't really, there's no way to get into it. Your bag is secure. As long as you like know where your bag is at, can see it, no one can dig through extra little pockets, like, you know, sneakily. Because it really only has this, it really does only have this one pocket, like entrance, which is not like a lot of suitcases. They have usually the little pockets in the front. So one of my main worries with changing bags out to like the newer style of suitcases and stuff was the wheels. Because I have 2 wheels on the Osprey that are super durable. You can drag them through anything, they'll be okay. But I really feel like these are really solid and secure, and Away has a really good warranty and replacement policy to where if these break, they'll fix it for you. I really feel like they can handle what I've been putting my other bag through, which is nice because we do some rugged suitcase wear sometimes. I don't feel like I can just pop it off. I really like how subtle it is with their branding, and also just how simple of a bag it looks like. It's very minimalistic. I'm excited to use it. It's definitely going to be tested when going to Patagonia next week. Overall, my first impression is that I really feel like it's going to live up to the hype that it gets on YouTube. I mean, it is a very social media branded product, so with that, you know, it can go one way or the other, but I really feel like with their warranty and the way they'll replace and stuff like that, that I feel like their durability is going to be. I'm also going to put a promo code down below that is $20 off, so this bag would only be $205, and that's with the battery. I don't think it costs any more to get the battery. You just lose like this much space, but to me, I mean, those anchors they sell for what, 20 bucks, so it's worth like $20 in my opinion, and it comes with all those little extra other accessories. I'm going to post a pack with me video, so we'll see how much this can really hold. I think it's going to work out really great. I'm very excited to use it. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. And if you like travel videos, please check out our channel and subscribe if you like them. We have about 6 more countries to edit, and the quality gets a lot better, I promise. Is it backwards? Like, are you reading it straight?
Yeah, it's straight.
Any tips? Am I doing okay? Frick. Okay. Let me do that again. How should I end this video? Just like this? Just say, how should I end this video?